Hello beautiful people, and how are you this lovely day? If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Eleftheria. I know my name can be quite complicated, so many people just call me Eli. But anyway, today I'm going to present you 7 websites to learn, and you can learn almost everything. So there are included some guides, some how-tos, there is some newsletter, and yeah, so let's get started and explore everything I want to show you today. I'm going to start with snapguide.com, and as it says in the header, it's a place for makers. So although I usually present things that are most related to technology and development, today I'm going to do something more general. So these sites are not included only development and technology stuff, but pretty much everything. So as you can see, there are these art and crafts, food, and gardening, lifestyle. Of course there is technology, but then there is beauty, desserts, home, and automate. And then it says, have an idea for a guide of your own, create one and share what you're doing. So you can also create your own guide. There is an app that's available on App Store, but let's just see the technology, what it has to offer us. For me personally, I find the UI design of this website very clear and modern, and I like it. So in the technology, you have your featured, popular, and recent. Pretty much all the categories work like this. Now here we can only see these 6 articles, and let's just click on this one. Okay, so it says how to enable numeric signal strength to an iPhone. Okay, and then you have your 8 steps, supplies, embedded, and how many times it is shared or liked. You can also print this one, which is a cool feature, and I haven't really seen this feature in many other websites. And then you have your steps like 1, 2, and as you can see, everything is very clear, and I like that. I think that many users can be helped easily. And then you have your writer. You can like this post or you can share it, and also then you can go to the previous article or to the next one. So let's go to the next website, which is learn something new every day, and the site is called curious.com. So you get a customized CQ workout delivered to your inbox or mobile every day. You can click on one of these 3 numbers, like 5 minutes, 15, or 30, and then you give your email, and every day you have something new in your email. So if you're not the type of person that likes to have its inbox full, I don't know who these people are, but let's just say there are some people that likes to have their inbox full, then maybe you shouldn't go to curious.com because you'll get an email. But let's see some other features, like it says, or achieve your learning goals in just 5 minutes, 15, or 30, custom plans that fit your unique lifestyle and schedule, learn from 25 lessons on virtual any topic, and stay happy and healthy with a science-backed daily workout for your brain. Awesome. Okay, then what else we have? It says the CQ interview, the wheel, the workout, and many other cool things. Alright, let's continue with the third website, which is Now I Know. That's half the battle, and also the name of the URL of this site is nowiknow.com. Like a small parenthesis, every link for every site that I'm showing you, it's gonna be linked in the description box. So if you want to find out the links that I'm presenting here, just click below in the description box. Here we have 4 categories: home, archives, about Dan, and quizzes. Dan is the creator of this website. So again, you subscribe, you give your email, and every day you have something new on your inboxes. Things that you learn in this site, for example, are Abraham Lincoln created the Secret Service. Carrot used to be purple, and I think that I've heard of this one before. How Turkey, the bird food, got its name, and lot more other things. Then you have your readers are saying, like testimonials, and I like this one. And yeah, pretty much that's it. So if you like this thing, just give your email and you'll have everything customized in your inbox. Let's continue with another great site, which is called Brainpump, and again the URL is brainpump.net. So you have your learn something new and feed your curiosity. As you can see, most of this site, they begin with this state, like learn something new, and most of them also include a newsletter. Here you have your popular topics: psychology, chemistry, space, physics, history, business, technology, maths, and view all. You have your trending videos. You can see several stuff here. And then we get to some more cool shit like introduction to astronomy and some other featured videos. I'm going to click on the category here that says technology, and you can see the zeros and 1. Alrighty, so in the technology you have 81 topics, and it says Brainpump player, kick back and enjoy a continuous stream of knowledge. So we have some videos like this one. Okay, and as we continue, we can also see more videos, but this time are specifically related to the technology and not any other topic. Alright, so let's continue with one more site, which is called Lumong, and also the URL is lumong.com. Here you have home, explore, and about, and you can also submit your own stories. The first one that we see is best website and apps that make you incredibly smarter. Okay, I like this one. And you have your latest and popular articles. Now you also have collections, and if you know me, you know that I like collections. So let's just say that I like edu tools and apps, so it's education tools and apps. I'm going to click on this collection, and then I can see that I have 7 articles. And you have your article name: Socratic, my study life, Brainscape, great proof. Let's just click on this one, which is called wolfram.alpha, and I used to use this site. It's a really nice site, and it says computer expert level answers using Wolfram background, algorithms, knowledge bases, AI technology. So when I was back in my university, I used to use this site a lot. I like this one. So you can go to App Store or Play Store and download this app. Okay, after that, or you can also of course visit the website, but this is not the intention of this video. You can leave a reply or see other related apps and websites. Really cool sites, this Lumong one. Okay, then we have curiosity.com, and again this is a site that you can learn almost everything, and yeah, as it says, curiosity makes you smarter, and I couldn't agree more. So you have your categories like adventure, amazing places, mind and body, personal growth, and a lot more. Then you have your trending, subscribe, podcast story, and a menu. I won't deal with a menu right now, so let's just go here. You have the article that's most popular today, and some other articles that are only here today, but then you have the recommended subjects for you. So you have amazing places, product, culture, mind and body, personal growth, science, and technology. The most popular from yesterday, or the handpicked from yesterday. Okay, so here I'm going to click on science and technology, and you can also make this one as one of your favorite categories. So now I'm on subjects, science, technology, topics, and let's see what it has to offer us here. They are sorted by trending, and as you can see, we have a lot of articles, but instead of articles, maybe you don't like to read, you have your videos, and then also another category called related. All right, let's just click on the first one. Okay, so now we're in videos, and as you can see, we have almost 9,000 videos. I guess more people prefer videos than written or text. Okay, so again, you have for today the most popular one, and everything goes like this. All right, let's go to the last side, which is called the Chalk Street, and also the URL is the same. You have your categories, but then what learn new things, feel accomplished, so you have a big search bar. This is a little bit more related maybe to technology. So in other sites, as you could see, the technology wasn't the first one, but here you have it like boom pop. The first thing is technology. So then you have also business, hobbies, personal development, and a lot of other cool things. Fast track your career, unleash your creativity. And okay, so let's just click on technology and see what it has to offer us. Okay, so the URL change, we are in technology, and here you have electronics, mobile apps, project management. So again, we have subcategories inside the category of technology. You have learn to code, you have your best sellers in web development, and then get ahead in career and develop your own applications, popular in networks and security, and yep. So let's just click on Git. Do not worry a bit, learn Git, which is free. So this is a free course, and you have your course introduction, you have your course objectives, and things like this. So here in this website, you can also find articles, but both tutorials and guides on how to do several things. That was for me, guys. I'm sorry my voice maybe sounds a little bit weird, and if you like this kind of videos, please consider share and subscribe. If you want more information, I'm sure you will find them in the description box. Have an amazing day, and see you in the next video.